In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge accounts in the chart of accounts in Zoho Books. Now, it's important to note that Zoho Books doesn't directly offer a merge button for accounts in the chart of accounts. Instead, what you'll need to do is move all transactions associated with the duplicate account over to the correct one, and then set the duplicate account to inactive. It might sound a bit cumbersome, but I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can follow along easily. First things first, we need to identify the accounts we're dealing with. Determine which account is the duplicate, and this will be the one we mark as inactive, and which is the master account that will keep all related transactions. Once you've decided which is which, we can move on. Next, you'll need to log into your Zoho Books organization. Head over to the left sidebar and click on Accountant. From there, you'll find an option labeled Chart of Accounts. This is where you'll see a list of all your accounts. Now let's begin the process of moving transactions. Locate the duplicate account you want to merge. If this account has transactions associated with it, trying to delete it will trigger a pop-up message. This notification explains that due to existing transactions, the account can't be deleted as is, but it will give you the option to bulk update the transactions. This feature is crucial for our purposes today. Click on the bulk update link to bring up a list of all the transactions connected to that duplicate account. This is where you'll move these transactions over to your master account. Select all the transactions in the presented list. Once everything is selected, look for an option to update, typically in the form of a button or drop-down menu. Here, you'll choose the master account as the new destination for all these transactions. Double-check that you've selected the correct account before confirming the update. Finally, hit Confirm. With that, all the transactions from your duplicate account will now appear under your master account. Once you verify that all transactions have been moved successfully, you can go back and set the duplicate account to inactive. This step ensures that the account doesn't interfere with your records moving forward. And there you have it, a straightforward way to consolidate accounts in Zoho Books without a direct merge function. This method keeps all your business transactions neatly organized in a single account, simplifying your bookkeeping process. Be sure to review your changes and confirm everything is updated as you intended. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.